3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this tutorial, I will walk you through the process of resolving the error where the Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ends prematurely. This issue is relatively simple to address, and by following a few straightforward steps, you can get the launcher up and running again. The first step is to access the Start menu and search for the Task Manager. Once in the Task Manager, look for any active processes related to Epic Games, such as the Epic Games Launcher. Right-click on these processes and select End Task to terminate them. It's important to ensure that no Epic Games processes are running in the background, so feel free to use the search box at the top of the Task Manager window to double-check. After closing any Epic Games-related tasks, exit the Task Manager and open the File Explorer. Navigate to your C drive, and under Program Files, x86, locate the Epic Games folder. Right-click on this folder and select the trash icon to delete it. Ensure that Epic Games is not running in the background to successfully delete the folder. Once deleted, go back one window, then navigate to Program Files without the x86, where you should also find an Epic Games folder. Right-click on this folder and delete it as well. This will remove any remaining files from the Epic Games Launcher. After deleting these two folders, you can close the File Explorer window. Next, open your internet browser and visit the Epic Games website at store.epicgames.com/download. Download the Epic Games Launcher again by clicking on the Download button. Once the download is complete, open the installer and, during the installation process, you will have the option to select Remove. Click this option and wait for it to complete. After the removal is finished, hit the Finish button. Then, relaunch the installer and this time select Repair. Click the Repair button, and once the repair is complete, you can double-click the Epic Games Launcher. The error should now be resolved, and the setup wizard should no longer end prematurely. If this guide helped you, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more tutorials.